Excuse me. Hi. Sorry to bother you first of all. My name is Jubin. So I take pictures of people I meet and post them on social media. Just wondering if I can take a picture by any chance.
Are you going to charge me?
No, it's totally free. So I'll show you my page. So that is my page.
Okay. So if I follow you and text you, will you send me the picture?
Sure, absolutely.
Perfect.
Thank you. What's your name?
Melly.
Melly. Nice to meet you, Melly.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm Jubin.
Oh, I'm actually gonna take a picture
Sure.
just so it's faster. Alright.
Cheers.
Do you want me to do anything?
Yeah, we will. I'll take a picture of you like that. Oh wow. Can you stand here for me, please, like this? Ooh. Are you a model? Are you a model?
No. Oh, I really like those ones. Oh, this is so nice.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Oh my god, I love this one. I love this one. Thank you so much. I'm gonna have so much stuff to post.
Sure thing. Thank you so much for your time.
It was
Nice
really
meeting
nice
you.
to meeting you.
Cheers.
I'm gonna text you.
Cheers.
See you.
Bye bye.